Clearing your search history on YouTube can help maintain your privacy and improve your recommendations. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open YouTube. Launch the YouTube app on your mobile device or go to the YouTube website on your computer. Step 2. Sign in. Make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. If you are not signed in, click on the Sign In button and enter your credentials. Step 3. Access settings. On the app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. On the website, click on your profile icon and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Privacy. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy section. Click on it to access options related to your search and watch history. Step 5. Clear search history. Find the option labeled Clear Search History and click on it. Confirm your choice when prompted to permanently remove your search history. By following these steps, you can easily clear your search history on YouTube. Regularly managing your history can help keep your viewing experience tailored to your preferences.